Hello guys, so if you're looking how to cancel Amazon Prime membership, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is go to a browser, then open Amazon and log into your account, then click on your account over here, then click on Prime, then click on membership over here and choose update and cancel and more. Click on it, then click on end membership. Now it will give you three options: remind me later, continue to cancel, or keep my membership. So what you have to do is click on continue to cancel. Now it will ask you again the very same question, and it will show you some benefits, or it will ask you to change the plan if you want to. So again, what you have to do is click on continue to cancel. Now at the very last step, it will again ask you, do you want to cancel the Prime membership or not, and it will also give you the date this time. So if you want to cancel it, just click on the end on whatever date you have and whatever year you have. So click on that and your Prime membership will be cancelled, and then from that particular day onwards you will not be able to use Prime membership again. So the date may be different for you, but the point is the same. So just simply click on end on whatever date you may have and your Prime membership will be cancelled. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.